This how to 1 minute will show you how to create a file download button in WordPress using Elementor. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to do it. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard and make sure to install and activate the Elementor plugin. Once done, now let's create a new post. Or you can go to the post or page where you want to add a file download button. Then all you have to do is just edit the post or page with Elementor. And now let's create a file download button. So here's some adding a new container and selecting this structure. Clicking on widget. In the search widget box, I'm typing here button. And simply I'm adding this simple button. And it's time to customize this button. So here select content and button type. You can select info success. I'm selecting the default button, and here let's change this button text. And now you can change the button size from here. You can add an icon for the button. Searching for download. And let's select this button icon for the button, and now you can change icon spacing. Once done, go to style section and let's change background color for the button. Once your button ready, it's time to upload the file. So again, go to your WordPress dashboard and go to media, and let's upload our file. So here's I'm selecting my file PDF that I want to attach with the button. Here you will get the file link or URL. You have to copy your file link. Once done, now again go to the button page or post, reload it. Now again select the button and select content, and here you will get the link option. Here you have to add the file link that you want to attach with the button, and now click on these link options, and here you will get this custom attributes option. Here just type this value, download vertical pipeline, and write the file name. My PDF file name is course. And now click on publish. And now let's preview this post. And now I'm clicking on download course. And as you can see, my file is downloading. This is how we can easily create a file download button using Elementor. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.